brings life to words. This poem is a direct reflection of thoughts of a mother to her creed. Let's welcome Jaron Situ of 4A to recite the poem. Let's enjoy.
Respected principal, teachers, parents, and my dear friends, today I would like to share a powerful poem by Maya Mayo titled Perfect. This poem delivers into the concept of perfection, exploring the pressures we face from society and within ourselves. It beautifully captures the essence of self-acceptance and the idea that true beauty lies in our imperfections. As we listen, let's reflect on our own perceptions of perfection and the importance of embracing who we are. Is there something wrong with you? A loose screw or two that ruined your ability to function? Why are you always so tired? Your life is uninspired and small. All you do is prone the coach with tortured limbs like a sloth in slow motion. Where is the devotion to succeed, Maya? Did it drift out a window with the smoke from your weed? Do I need to force feed you discipline till you finally concede? I cook and I clean and I don't stop till the soles of my feet bleed. But I'm fine. I'm perfect. Be perfect, Maya. Be perfect like me. Stop wearing this god of red pants and the lipstick like a heart with double D implants. You only get one chance. Stop acting like a cat with 9 lives left. Stop committing yourselves to songs and stories and spoken slam bullshit. In a world where degrees and PhDs impede the need of poetry. And stop chewing on your nails. No wonder you have not attracted any males. Why do you do that? Do you like the taste? Are they sweet? You can't eat sweets, Maya. You're ruining your teeth like you're ruining your life. My teeth are perfect. Clean and pristine, they gleam like a golden halo above my perfectly conditioned head. I don't need sugar, Maya. I am above sugar. Why are you down here, Maya? Why are you down here when you need to be up here with the ones who are promising carrier, who listen when the information goes in one ear and doesn't come out other? You'll never be up here, Maya. You act as the act of listening is a crime. Or could have heard me the 666th time. I told you to stop chewing on your nails. Stop chewing on your nails like a goddamn piece of trash. You can't be trash, Maya. You have to be perfect. Be perfect like me. I get up at 5 in the morning every day. I start my day as the same way buried. They collapse. My bones start to decay from killing them with scraps. Why is your room such a mess? The clothes go in the hamper, mine, or displayed on the bed like a lack of morals. Knowledge on the floor collecting more dust than my expectations. You disregard my rules with stubborn contempt in a substandard attempt to end rebellion. But you can't be a rebel, Maya. You are not interesting enough. You need to obey and say yes and okay. You need to do it with a smile on a less than average face. You need to harder, Maya. Make it wider, Maya. But you don't know how to smile. You disappoint me, Maya. You never appreciate what I do for you. You never try to be winner, and you never eat your dinner. You never eat your dinner. I can still provide for you. As I can still remember the life I set aside for you. That meal doesn't pay for itself. I don't care if it's a deal. Stop telling me how you feel. You need to eat it. Eat it all. Eat it at the reasonable time with a glass of milk. You need milk, Maya. You need calcium like you need a catalyst for growth. You never grow to be tall. Be tall like me. I drink my milk, Maya. Drink your fucking milk. Be tall. Be perfect. Be perfect like me. You need to pay more attention, Maya. Stop daydreaming, Maya. Stop staring at the ceiling as if your one redeeming qualities lies under the plaster. You need to organize your life. Your life is a disaster. It's like your room. Just like your teeth, It's like your future which will soon come to an end if you don't put down the pen. You need to stop writing, Maya. Your life is not a book. Don't give me the look, Maya. I'm just trying to help you. I'm just trying to love you. I'm just trying to love you. You have to let me love you so that you can be perfect. Be perfect like me. Thank you.